Tired of your monthly goals feeling like a distant dream lost in a sea of to-dos? Well, get ready to transform your productivity, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to master monthly planning using the power of Microsoft To Do. First, open the Microsoft To Do app on your phone, tablet, or computer. Now, create a new list for each month. Just click on the New List button and name it something like October Goals or November Projects. Creating separate lists for each month helps keep tasks separate and easier to visualize. Within each monthly list, add all of your tasks, appointments, and deadlines. Be as specific as possible. For example, instead of work on project, write finalized project proposal draft. Then, importantly, set a due date for each task by clicking on the task and selecting a due date. To make sure you don't miss anything important, use the My Day feature. Add crucial tasks from your monthly lists to My Day to focus on what needs to get done today. Finally, track your progress throughout the month as you complete tasks. Check them off. Watch that progress bar fill up. This is a great way to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Embrace Microsoft To Do. That's it. With Microsoft To Do, you can stay on top of your commitments and conquer your monthly goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.